Hello guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to start your InDesign and also how I put these logos. These logos here, I searched it online from Google, I downloaded and paste here in InDesign. You can also search on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or other website you like, okay? For disclaimers guys, these brands here are not paying me to do this video. It's just that I and my family are users of one of these products here, okay? Now, for the first time you open your Adobe InDesign, you cannot see the tools here, these tools. You cannot see that one. Or some tools here you cannot see also. So what you have to do is to click here on top, this button here, and check the Essentials Classic. This is the standard screen of Adobe InDesign. Sometimes also when you set this one already, you press accidentally one of the keys of your keypads or keyboards. So you just click the Reset Essentials Classic, okay? Now here also the layers. This played important role in InDesign because it's where these logos are, or let's say if you have text, it's where to put also and also to segregate. And the layers one here, you can change this name later so that if you have a lot of things in your format, it's difficult to identify. So you have to segregate some of them. And then also here, when you put the cursor, you will see the names of each of the tools. So later on, if you like to explore or you like to know some of the tools here, you can search it online, especially on Google. Okay. Now here, the Pepsi, for example, if I press the I here, you see the Pepsi is gone. You cannot see it, but still it's here. Okay. And we call it toggles visibility. Later on, you will know the how to use this one. Why is it? It has here. So later on, you will know the function, how to use it. And okay, so this time we will start from the beginning. I will close this one so that you will know how to open your InDesign, new files, print, view all presets, A4 size, title, for example, logos, and units, millimeters, portrait, pages, start, column. These are the standards, okay? And the margins, these are also the standards. And for the bleed, the standards is 3 millimeter. Okay. Now create. You see the red lines here. This is the bleed. Okay. Now we will use the selection tool. And we will go to files and placed. And as you could see here, the command D, that's the shortcut. Now I'm using MacBook Air, so probably if you're using PCs, your keyboard is different from my keyboard, and also I'm using touchpad. So if you're using mouse, there's a little bit different on that. So we will click this one, and then we will choose Coca-Cola first, for example, and then open, and then click slide. Okay. Now sometimes your image here, you cannot see it because you didn't know the one that you saved from online is bigger than your format or bigger than the A4 size. If you cannot see it, you have to use the zoom tool. If I use my touchpad, I use 2 fingers and yeah, I do it like that. I don't know how you do it by your computer, but you can explore it if you like. And also, if I make it bigger, like that, I can use the hand tool also to put it down, up, left, and right. Okay, now let's go back to the selection tool. Okay, you see these blue lines here? This is the format that I like, because sometimes it looks different, so that is not the one. So this one, you can use it to cut your logo. Now if you want to use the redo or undo, you have to press Command Z, or here on the files, or edit. Here you can see it here, undo, resize item, or redo. You can see it here, but to make it faster, because in actual work of InDesign, you have to make it fast because you have deadlines, okay, to finish your projects. Now, Command Z, okay, to resize your, by the way, you can also use Command Shift and Z, okay, Command Z. Now, this one, direct selection tool. You see here, that's not the right format that I like to use. So you have to click outside like that, and then click here again, and voila, this is the one that I need, the brown lines. So if I like to resize it like that, you see what happened? It's not proportion. So what you will have to do now is Command Z, and then click Shift and resize it. Okay? Now, these blue lines here also, we have to resize this. We have to fit your logo to these blue lines, because this blue lines here is the space where you can see your logos. So if you don't resize this one the same as your logo, this can affect the other logos also, or the other images. So like this, for example, if I make it bigger like that, you see, that's the space where you can see the images. So Command Z, and then we will use the selection tool and click here and resize it. Okay, now we'll zoom in so that you can see, and here also we will put down the layer so that you can see the things that we will paste. Now we will use the Command D this time, and then click Acer until Duvel, Shift Duvel, and then open, and then click slide, click slide, click slide. Okay, so that's how you make it fast. Okay, see here, these are the thing that you paste here. Okay, now save it. Save as logos in YouTube folder. Save. Okay, and also package. Okay, later on I will explain to you what is that. And then links and images. Here, when you see a red thing here, like this, a little something like this here, it means that your Adobe InDesign cannot find your images. So you have to click repair all, and then go to the folder where you save your images, and then click package, and this is the standard, so we will not touch that one. So package and okay, and then we will go to YouTube folder. You see here, this is your project, okay, in DD, and this is the package you made. Let's open it. You see, it's complete with PDF, the InDesign and the IDML, and also the links where you get the images, okay? If you like to send it to your friends so that he can edit it, he can help you to edit it, you have to send this one. But since this is a big file, it's difficult to send it through email. So what we have to do is to right click with your mouse. I use my 2 fingers on my touchpad and then compress. The logos folder .zip is the one you can send it to your clients or to your friend, because it was compressed, the files is compressed, okay, because this is very big, so that you will not have problems on sending it, okay? Now, I think that's all for now, guys, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click like, and click the bell button. Okay, so till the next video, bye!